everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. We're going to be making patriotic earrings today, and I want to wish everyone a happy, fun, and safe 4th of July. The supplies you're going to need are UV resin, some blue dye, white dye, and red dye, 3 mixing bowls, mixing utensil. You'll need a mold, any kind will do. I'm just using this teardrop shaped one. This is also from that filigree mold that I like so much. These are 2 teardrop, just clear bezels, or open bezels. And then I have 2 10mm jump rings and 2 fishhook earrings. So what we're going to do is just make some fun earrings. They're simple to make, great for 4th of July. And I'm just going to put just enough because we're going to use all 3 colors. So we don't need a lot of each. So I just need, oops. And that is not open. Let me see. I gotta find something to pierce it. Okay, there we go. And we just need 1 drop. One drop of the white. And then 1 drop of the red. And then we'll just mix this together. Okay, I just have to find, I'm just using a baby wipe for this. And I'm just going to wipe this off on the side. Don't want to really waste too much. And then just mix up the white. Now the white looks like it may need maybe another 2 drops because I want it to look really white. Whereas the red and the blue, even with 1 drop, makes it look, you know, like red and blue. Just very like a pale version. All right, and then the blue. I'll be mixing these up more. I just wanted to get them started here. All right, so now we're going to start with the red. Mix it up. Okay, and I'm going to get my lighter. Make sure there's no bubbles because I don't want to transfer any to the mold. So I'm kind of do it at an angle. So I'm just gonna be adding some red in. I think I put a little too much there. And this is like great for beginners. You're just using just the resin and the dye. There's nothing too elaborate that you're going to be doing. So I'm just putting the red in. Oops, I don't want it there. Not paying attention. All right, so I think that should be enough. And then now I'm going to just cure this little section for 30 seconds. Okay, that's cured. So now, it's not fully cured, it's just partially cured. Okay, get this. Gotta get my lighter again, make sure there's no bubbles. And then I'm going to put that in next. Now, if by chance it does go over the top of these, you can just use like a crafting knife to pick those pieces away, or you can just use one of your little drill bits, you know, for sanding, to take that off. Okay, so this is the white. Make sure I gotta leave some room for the blue. Okay. And then we're going to cure this for 30 seconds. Okay. And we're on to the blue now. And we're going to make 2 of these. So you can just use this one as a reference when you're making the second one. And we're going to cure this for 30 seconds. Okay, so now that's cured. So it does look like we'll need a little bit more to top it off a little bit. And it won't take much. Just be careful, watch what you're doing. Oops, I had a little bit too much on there. Okay, and then I'm going to cure that again for 30 seconds. And the white. Now, I think this would really make a nice pair of earrings for 4th of July. And it's quick and it's easy and it's great for beginners. There's not too much going on except that you're sort of mixing colors, but that's okay. And then we'll just put this under for 30 seconds. And then the second layer of the blue. And then just be careful while you're doing it so you don't get it into the other color. You know, any of these, so you're not like getting them into the white, or they'll just meet up really nicely. Oops, put that over there, and then cure this for 30 seconds. All right, now that that's cured for the 30 seconds, I want to do a good curing now. So I'm going to do 180 seconds on the top, and then I'm going to flip it over, and on the back side I'm going to do another 180 seconds, and then this just ensures that it's cured all the way through. All right, now that it's done, we can remove it from the mold. As you can see, it's very pretty. There's a couple places there that kind of filled in, but you can actually see them. So I'm just going to take just a little drill bit and then just go in there and clean that up. So after you've done this one, you're going to move on and then do the second one using the same process. So when I'm done with that, I will come back and show you how to put these earrings together. All right, now that it's cured, we can put these together. And I'll need my pliers. And then these jump rings, see, I'll just open them up. And we're just going to place it through here. And that was the largest opening on the filigree. And then I'm going to place one of these teardrop bezels on top. I'm going to close this up. Take one of my fish hook earrings. Let's see, gotta find where the opening is. Okay, open it to the side, and then place the open bezel onto the earring, and then close it up. And it makes a nice dangle earring. And then we're going to do the same with this one. We're going to open the jump ring, slip this on, put your open bezel on, close it up, open your fishhook earring to the side, place your open bezel onto that, and then close it up. Alright, so now it's all finished, and you've got a really pretty pair of dangle earrings. Doesn't have to be for 4th of July. It could be just something that you're wearing that's either red or blue, even white. These will make a nice accent to anything that you wear. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my jewelry, artwork, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.